In this video, I'll show you how to add new vehicle on Roadie Driver. If you're not yet signed up with Roadie or other gig platforms, we'll include helpful links in the description below. To start, open the website drive.roadie.com, then enter your email address and password on the field provided. Once entered, click on Sign In. A 6-digit code will be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Submit. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for My Account. Under My Account is an option that says Driving Info. Click on Driving Info. On this page, you will see the list of your vehicles. Below it is an option that says Add New Vehicle. Click on Add New Vehicle. Next, from the options provided, select the color and the kind of the vehicle you wish to add, by clicking on it. Once selected, click on Save. After that, on the fields provided, you could enter the plate number and state of registration of the vehicle you wish to add. You could also add a proof of insurance by clicking on the Add button. That's how you add a new vehicle on Roadie Driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.